before I start, at some point throughout this video, I'm probably going to get interrupted because I'm waiting for somebody to come so we can finish off a promotional video. We've got the voiceover left to do, and that's probably what we're going to get on doing. This video, I'm actually going to be talking a bit differently. Now, normally, I say talking a bit differently, I don't mean in a different language as such, I just mean in a different way, because normally what I do is I have my teleprompter right in front of me. I mean, I've actually got it on there today, but I'm not scripting anything on this video because this one's actually going to come from the heart, and I want to talk to you a little bit about hard work and, you know, the rewards from it. So recently I've a Nisi ambassador. I went away to Dubai. I said bye to the team over here, and you know, the intention wasn't really to come back, and it was to just continue in Dubai, and things were okay then, but then we had the lockdown, and then nothing really happened, and everything calmed down, just like, you know, everywhere, you know, travel stopped, photographers stopped going out anywhere because we were restricted. Since I've been back, without saying too much about the past, since I've been back, I've kind of like started again because I came back with nothing. I'd sold all my gear in Dubai, so I needed the money to come back, and obviously the family pay the rent, blah blah blah. So I sold my camera, my bags, my lenses, my filters, literally everything I had with photography. It was literally, that's it, I'm done, I'm finished. The intention was not to continue, but obviously what's in the heart stays in the heart, and you can never really get rid of it. So when I came back, I did find a job in IT, and something happened that changed my life. I'm here today, so you know who you are. You have got a really, really special place in my heart, and this goes back 20 years when you helped me then. And I continue to say this, and I will continue to say this, however grateful I am. So thank you so much. You both know who you are. Thank you. So coming from that, basically it just means that no matter how bad it's been in the past, look at it as an experience perhaps to learn, but move forward with positivity and, you know, do something. So I then was approached by Alessio from Nisi, and this was down to me restarting my channel and doing content for you guys. And he says, look, I've seen you starting your channel again, let's do some stuff. And I was like, yes, let's get together again and let's start the video, let's start the ambassadorship again. And he's like, yeah, cool. Even he was a bit shocked, thinking, how come I'm still not on the team? But obviously things have changed, there's been a restructure, a shuffle, blah blah blah. And yeah, I'm back on the team again with Nisi Ambassadors, and what they've done is they've sent me this box, which I'm going to show you some of the content. I'm going to do like an unboxing. The box is right in front of me. Well, it kind of is. It's where I rest my flowers on. So it's just over here, literally under here. And we're going to do an unboxing on the box. We're going to do an unboxing, show you what they've sent me and what the kit is. So as I'm aware, the kit has been upgraded to the V7 holder. I was with the V6 Pro is what I had last, and it was a fantastic piece of kit. And I was like, how can you make this any better? And they've done it. They've made it better. I haven't opened it properly. I've not looked at it, so we're not going to talk too much about the gear and what it's made of and what it does. Just going to have a look at what they've sent me. So let's get straight in. I need to find another box to put my flowers on now because I like that. Okay, so here it is. The box is here. I'm not quite sure what's in it. Let's unbox it and find out. Okay, so here it is, guys. This is the box. It's here, it's packed. I'm gonna unbox it. I've obviously taken my label off and stuff. Let's get in there. Let's have a look what they've sent. I really do hope it's more than what I want, but then don't we all? Come on, Alessio, surprise me. Okay, man, it's packed really well, isn't it? It's not opening any easy. Okay, what do we have? We have a Nisi V7 with true color CPL, so that's something new. That's that one over there. It's the new one. It's the V7. This one does come with the case inside it over here. I'm not going to open the box today because I don't have a lot of time, but there it is. You got the holder, you got the true color CPL, the adapter rings, the cap, and then the case as well. And that's the new V7. It looks pretty cool, does that, doesn't it? Yeah. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to do a full in-depth review at some point as well. Okay. True color 1 to 5 stop video. Oh, this is wicked. So this is something I did on a shoot ages ago. If you've not seen that video, you can click on this link. I did one here, but the audio is not the best. I recommend you watch it on a desktop where the audio will be a lot better than trying to watch it on your mobile or a tablet. This is a really good filter. It's a video ND filter which you can use for video outside, and it basically does help with getting your exposure just right if you need to move from inside to outside. Plus it allows you to shoot at lower apertures outside as well, so you can shoot like 2.8 with a fixed shutter speed of 50, and you're not having to mess about with anything else, so any of the filters. And you know, if you go from inside to outside, like I said, a very smooth transition. This is a new one. I'm going to do a shoot on this at some point, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to this product. Absolutely amazing piece of kit. Now what else do we have? We have a extra case over here, so this one will fit a few things in here. What can we get in here? Holds up to 1 filter holder system and 9 filters. So this, we can have the filter holder in here and 9 additional filters in there. That is a wonderful piece of kit. I did get this last time. I'm trying to peep and try to get the camera to focus, but that's how good the Canon is. It actually sticks on my eye no matter what I do. See how fantastic is that? Unless I cover my face like this, show you the filter case, which you've seen over here anyway. Anyway, that's a really good piece of kit. We have a 3-stop, 6-stop and a 10-stop. I don't know why the pause there. We have a 3-stop, a 6-stop and a 10-stop. So there we are, a 3-stop filter, true ND, a beautiful, true to life, absolutely beautiful, and it is a stunning piece of kit. That's a 3-stop filter, and then we have a 6-stop filter just over there, so same images but just different stuff inside. Then we also have a 10-stop filter as well, which is this one over here. This is our most common one that everyone uses for landscape photography, so I really recommend a 10-stop filter if you're going to do a longer exposure, get that water nice and calm and make some really great stuff with it. A 10-stop filter is really good. The reason I requested a 3-stop filter was, again, I do quite a bit of video work and sometimes I just want constant all the way through. I wasn't sure about this one, hence I wasn't sure about this one, hence he sent me both of them so I can have a little play around with them. But I think the video one will be a lot better. Then my favorite piece of kit, don't need that anymore, is this one over here. So this is the medium grad. Beautiful image on the cover. I'm not quite sure who's done that, but it's a stunning image. A medium grad is basically a graduate filter with a medium transition from the top to the bottom, and it's a stunning piece of equipment, something you definitely should have. So there it is, guys. This is a quick unboxing of all the gear that has been sent to me recently by Nisi. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Alessio, for welcome me back on the team again. I really look forward to creating some new content for you guys. Really look forward to getting back with the team and get back to the shows. And if you're going to be down at the NEC, I'm not quite sure when the next show is on, but get yourself in there. I will probably be doing a presentation like last time. More YouTube videos going to be coming from outside, but I'm doing them fairly different, where I won't be talking much outside. I'll be doing them based here with the stuff done outside, and we'll take it from there. Guys, it's been an honor. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed my content, do consider subscribing. If you haven't, subscribe anyway, because something will hit at some point, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.